Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today we will show you how to make 2 watermelon origami with a serving dish. Prepare a black marker, a box cutter, and 2 pieces of origami to get started. First, place a piece of origami with blue-colored side face up. Fold in half to make a triangle. Using a box cutter, make 2 triangle pieces. Take one and place it with white side face up. Fold the bottom up a bit and turn it over. Fold the right side alongside the center line and do the same from the left side. Fold the bottom up to make a triangle. Tuck the wings inside, one at a time, keeping its triangle shape. Turn it over. Start drawing C's with a black marker to look like a cut watermelon. One piece is now complete, so we are moving on to our next piece. Place a piece of origami with red colored side face up. Fold a bit from the bottom and do the same from the top. Change the position by 90 degrees. Fold a bit from the bottom again and do the same from the top. Fold outward a bit on the top right corner, top left corner, bottom right corner, and finally bottom left corner. Fold outward in half horizontally. putting the bottom and top part together. Start drawing C's with a black marker on both sides of the watermelon. Finally, we will show you how to make an origami serving dish. Place a piece of origami we are using both colored with different patterns. Fold in half to make a triangle. Fold in half again, bringing the right corner to the left. Unfold to the very beginning. Fold up to the middle. Bring the right side to the middle, top side to the middle, and finally left side to the middle to make a square. Fold the top part down to the horizontal center line, then unfold. Fold the bottom part up to the horizontal center line, then unfold. Fold the right part over to the vertical center line, then unfold. Fold the left part over to the vertical center line, then unfold. Pull up the top flap, fold outward a bit. Do the same for 3 other flaps. Then it's done. Let's put 2 pieces of watermelons you made onto the dish and take a picture. Thank you for watching. Happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。Please subscribe our channel if you like what you just watched or would like to support us. Please feel free to leave a comment or two. If you have any questions, ask us. We'll try to answer them for you. Any feedback is appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The latest info will be posted there. Happy folding, everyone!